Finally, we're here in Miami. We have retired after the sun. Miami's the bomb. It's crazy. What's happening?
Back in the studio just about a month ago to create their Miami Monster. Steve Angello, Laid Back Luke, Sebastian Ingrosso, and Axwell.